Welcome to CIS 1270, Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. My name is Amy Moore, and I am the subject matter expert for the development of this course here at CCV. I have been an instructor here at CCV in a wide range of computer science courses for over 20 years. The structure and much of the content in this course was developed by Intel, and CCV is working in partnership with them for their AI for the workforce training and content development to bring these courses to our students. This video is the first of 6 subject matter expert videos here in Module 1. In this first video, I'll be presenting an overview and orientation of the class and course expectations. This slideshow shows a preview of content you'll find in the remaining videos. This course is packed with instruction on artificial intelligence tools and their uses. By the end of this module, we will be introduced to the emerging field of artificial intelligence and its potential applications, and you will understand the difference between AI and automation. Put even a little more simply, you will begin to be able to understand what AI is and what it is not. I will also present a basic history and evolution of AI, starting with integrated chips. We'll also learn about today's industry leaders in the field of AI. As with any course, I like to start by setting out how this course is designed, what to expect in the modules, and how you should plan to interact with this course. We'll start with the course description, and then what to expect in the rest of the course. On your screen, you can read the course description written by Intel for this course. The course description in CCV's catalog reads, "This course introduces basic concepts and applications of artificial intelligence, AI, including AI project cycles and tools. Students explore and identify issues surrounding AI, including ethics, bias, culture, regulations, professional expectations, as well as the growing impact of AI in different fields and industries. Prior learning in computer science is not required." While prior learning in computer science is not required, familiarity with computers should be assumed. Throughout this course, we will work on skills in 3 areas: technical, analytical, and social skills. Some of the major technical skills we cover are artificial intelligence terminology, programming and statistics, and the AI project cycle. For analytical skills throughout the course, we'll be developing critical thinking skills in many areas. With social skills, we'll be exploring and discussing AI ethics, and there are many ethical issues related to artificial intelligence, as well as the societal impact of AI. Every module will also have its own set of learning objectives, which will be covered in the module overview and objectives on Canvas. These are based on the course learning objectives, which are broken down over these 15 total modules. For this week, there are 3 learning outcomes based on the learning objectives for this course. Students will be able to distinguish between what is AI and what is not AI. Students will be able to differentiate between automation and AI. And finally, students will be able to describe the history of AI and its origin and development. Each module in this course will have a number of sections in it to address the learning objectives. Readings, resources, and lectures will cover a variety of tools to present the information we are covering in the course. They will include chapters from ebooks in the VSC libraries, articles, and videos. Some videos will be like this one. Other videos will come from the library and industry resources on the web. Many of the modules will simply have reading and resources section you should consume before working on the rest of the modules. Some modules may have reading and resources which require you to engage in a discussion and/or assignment, and then return to complete more readings or other resources. Nearly every module will also have at least one discussion to participate in. Some modules have more than one. This course was designed to be taught in person to allow for dynamic interchanges that build on each other. Since this course is asynchronous, We'll have to leverage some of the tools that Canvas discussions can afford us, such as video responses and multiple discussion sessions. Assignments will vary throughout the course. As an introductory course, there will be a fair bit of writing reflecting on the presented material. But, especially in the middle to latter parts of the course, there will be hands-on practical engagement with various tools for working with and in AI. At the end of every module, you will be presented with a quiz or an exam. These quizzes pull from all the resource material you were presented with in the module. They are open book, open notes, open internet, open application. You are requested to not work with your classmates on these. Use your tools and resources to look up answers if you do not remember them. As people who work with computers, knowing when and how to look things up is a significant part of learning about our own critical thinking skills. Finally, at the end of every module, you will find a graded survey called a self-assessment. These are designed to help you reflect on your learning in the module and help the instructor understand where you are with the material covered in this module. In most self-assessments, there will be questions to prompt you for feedback on the module. Answer as completely or briefly as you like. This is also a space to ask questions beyond what was covered in the material and have some informal interaction with the instructor. There are no wrong answers in self-assessments except failing to answer. You are encouraged to complete these after you have completed the other work of the module. Many students have questions about how to contact the instructor, getting tutoring, grading, later missing work, and how to give feedback on the course. All this material will be covered in the various pages in the Course Resources module, which appears in the course before Module 1. Do take the time to read this. These expectations may change over time and with different instructors, so it is important you read and understand the expectations written here.